Hello again. I'm just finishing up the cleanup post sanding of all these components, and they've been vacuumed off, but as you can see you still get quite a bit of dust when you're wiping them down, and you can use mineral spirits or paint thinner. I'm using naphtha, which is a similar chemical, and just kind of slightly dampening this cloth and wiping them down, and as you can see, still getting quite a bit of dust. So, you know, the cleaner you can get it, the better your finish will turn out. And after this is all done, we're going to go on and put on some finish. Hello again. We have all the project parts for this build sanded and cleaned, vacuumed off, cleaned with naphtha, and then a final additional cleaning with the blue shop towels to get them as clean as we can. And like every spoiled woodworker, we're going to use Rubio Monocoat, and I've got the pure version because I don't want to change the color of this. Other than popping the grain, I don't want to change the color. I'm hoping that the pure won't change color too much. So I have no idea if I've mixed up enough, and I'm not going to have you watch me do the entire process, but I hope and I think it'll be a pretty cool reveal as the grain, you know, comes out. So I'm going to at least show part of it and let you enjoy that experience to some degree. So let's get started. And I'm going to spread this on with a white Scotch-Brite. That's what I've seen other folks do. I'm hoping that that works reasonably well. I know you're supposed to let it soak in for a few minutes before you agitate it too much. And I guess there maybe is lots of other ways you could possibly spread this on. But this is what I chose. It's actually, the consistency is a little sticky. It doesn't spread that well. It's there's some resistance feel to it. As I spread it on, it is bringing the, I don't know how well you can see that, but it is bringing the grain out super nice. Let's get it on a side, maybe you can see better. And I don't know about doing the bottom side, like how long do I need to leave this before I can turn the pieces. And I guess you're supposed to, according to the directions, you're supposed to, after you agitate it in, you're supposed to wipe it dry. So, or as dry as you can get it. So hopefully that means that I can turn the pieces over fairly soon and not have to do a second application of the bottoms of all these pieces tomorrow or something. So. I hope I've mixed up enough. It seems to be soaking in very, very thoroughly. at any rate, that's the process. And when it's all done, I'll bring you back for a final reveal. And then we're going to put this thing, once the legs are glued up, we're going to put this thing into service. Hello, and thanks for tuning in to Beach Woodcraft again today. We're ending the video series on the construction of this lounge-side table with just a final reveal. My helper here, Haley, decided that she would not get out of my lounge chair, but we're moving forward with the video. So I'm super happy with the way this turned out, and it was designed very specifically to work, you know, with me along this chair while I'm relaxing in the evening, maybe doing some work on my laptop. The height is just right. The other thing that we did was we implemented a secret compartment in the back. So we give a little bit of a tug on this ring here, and the secret compartment will open up in the back. I'll take you around to show you what that looks like and the space that's available. Don't mind the puppy. And as you can see, there's room here enough to put a wallet, keys, any other kind of item you might want to have handy but hidden. Thanks for joining in.